Hello and welcome to your new dashboard. In a series of videos I'm going to show you how to navigate your new website, add new content, new pages and make edits to it. It's going to be fairly simple to do. If you're moving from a different platform you may find that some things are a little different, but you will get used to it. Just think of it as riding a bike for the first time. Once you learn, you'll know it forever. So as you'll see, when you log into your new instant website, you'll have this new welcome page. So the first thing you'll have is launch a new shop setup. This starts the process of making your own shop. Then if we have a look, we've got 3 columns here: getting started, next steps and more actions. So you'll see here we've got you delete demo products, and there's a link here showing you with a how-to video which opens up like so. Next is creating your first product, shipping options, coupons, payment gateways and so forth. And then we have the next section with uploading your logo and legal pages and all these other things here, which I'll show you step by step. So just a quick look around while we're here. This is the welcome page. You can get here at any time by clicking on dashboard and home. So you'll have another thing. Most of the updates will be managed. Some will have to be manually updated, and that's not so much something that we're doing on our end. It's the plugin developer or theme developer. So what you have to do is you just click on either that or this icon up here, and this will load a bit slow because it's a local development on my own PC and it's just a little bit slower. It'll be much quicker on the website. So it'll come here and you'll see here we've got a couple we need to update, and these are basically it's how they run their licensing. They don't update automatically, so once a week if you see it, check and update it. Now you'll see here there's a lot of stuff, a lot of these little notices here, and it's your website's going to be full of them. So this first one here, it just gives you links to your hosting control panel and for your billing and so forth. This one here is a little promo that I'm offering for discounts on plugins that I've developed, and you'll see these occasionally pop up, little nags. You can actually close them off, and they're fairly easy to do. Just click close, dismiss, and they'll stop annoying you. You'll see here we got Jetpack. That will allow you to install apps on your phone and get stats and data and so forth, and also with a WooCommerce store, order notifications and so forth. This is for posts for like a blog, your media, so this is where you store all of your images and videos. Pages is where you keep the stuff that doesn't change, so your home page, cart, checkout and so forth. Comments, that's where you go for comment moderation and review moderation. Now this Tactic EE plugin, that's Google Analytics. Auto terms and conditions, these are your legal pages, and that's auto generated. You create them and they'll appear. Fraud Lab Pro, for a WooCommerce store, if you want to run your orders through fraud detection software, these guys do it for you. You'll need to create a free account. WooCommerce, now this is where you get all of your orders. You set your coupons up, you can customize your shop. That's a menu cart. You get your reports, your settings, status and extensions and shipment tracking. I'm going to run through all of these in individual videos. Products is where you'll find all of your existing products and be able to add new ones, set categories, tags and attributes. Forms, this is for your contact form. One is already made for you and it goes straight to your admin email. Appearance, this is where you have your themes. I've installed one of the most popular, well-maintained, well-managed themes available. It's best to use a popular theme because you know if it's popular it's going to be well maintained and get regular updates. You're welcome to change your theme. I recommend keeping something which is popular and works well, or using a premium theme which is also popular. The customizer is a visual customizer. It allows you to see changes to things such as menus and widgets. The widgets area and menus, so these widgets are like your sidebars and bottom footer area. Menu, you can edit your menus here. That's really simple, drag and drop. Set your background color or image. Sticky header for Astra, so if you're running the Astra theme, this is sticky header and theme editor. Now this is plugins. This is where you add and install plugins. Now, or manage existing ones. Now, if you're running a WooCommerce one, every little thing that you basically want is going to be a plugin. So payment gateways are going to be a plugin. PDF invoices are going to be a plugin. Label printing is going to be a plugin. Shipment shipping by weight is going to be a plugin. So my suggestion is, if you need a certain functionality, have a look on WordPress.org under their plugins section to see if there's a free plugin. If there isn't a free plugin, go to CodeKenyon.net, and there may be a free plugin there, a paid plugin at CodeKenyon, sorry, which will cover it. There's literally thousands, tens of thousands of plugins, so you're bound to find what you need. And most of the ones, all the plugins on CodeKenyon, they're one time only. There's no subscription, and they're cheap. Generally between $10 and $50, and that's a one-time fee, not a monthly, not a yearly, one time. Other third-party developers who have their own website, they may charge a yearly fee for their plugins, but all the ones on WordPress.org are free to use. Users, this is where you'll see your customers, administrators, shop managers, and so forth. If you have staff members, you can add them as a shop manager, for example, and they can view their orders, they can manage orders and add products and so forth. Here is your tools. So you'll see here you get site health and import, export, and so forth. You probably will not visit this page very often. This plugin was one I've installed, which will not be visible on your dashboard, and you will not be able to install it. Settings. So here you'll be able to set your URL. So when you building on temporary URL, you go here and you change it to the live URL here. So reading, writing, discussion, set it for comment moderation. I've already set comment moderation up, so you should not get too many spam comments. So media permalinks and so forth. You may have to, of all of these, you may have to visit the permalinks one. Permalinks might be the only other option, only other menu item you'll have to visit apart from the general. If things aren't working right, you just go and save your permalinks. So Product Feed Pro. Now this is for Google Shopping. So if you want to run Google Shopping ads, you go here and you manage your shopping feed here. SEO, this is for your SEO. This is already configured. However, you will have to go in and connect it to Google and generate your sitemap and so forth. DMD Infinite Scroll. So this is to get rid of the pagination, and your shop will continue to just scroll page after page after page. Much better user experience. If people have to click, they ain't going to stick around. Loganizer Security. So this is limiting people trying to hack your website and log on. They give some free chances and they're locked out. Bloom. This is your email opt-in form for pop-ups. It connects with dozens of different mail services such as MailChimp and so forth. You can set it on a time delay, a scroll delay, or on a click delay. It's a very handy plugin, and it's a premium. Now Divi, this comes in both. This option will be here if you're on the Divi theme, or if you're just using a different theme with the Divi Builder. Divi Builder is a fantastic page builder which allows you to visually see what's going on, and I'll show you a video about that later. And Lightspeed Cache. This is basically already installed. It's ready to go. It's running, and it will. It basically you don't even have to touch this. It's just set. If you want to connect to a CDN, send me an email, and I will set you up with a content delivery network which will speed up your website. However, there is a free one available in the Jetpack module. Okay, so that concludes our very brief introduction to your new dashboard. I'll get through and I'll create videos on each little item as we go. Alright, thanks for watching.